Let's explore visibility and access modifiers in PHP Object-Oriented Programming. We'll cover three main topics: public, private, and protected. Visibility determines where class properties and methods can be accessed from. It defines the scope from which a property or method can be called. Public visibility means that the property or method can be accessed from anywhere. This includes inside the class, outside the class, and from child classes. Here's an example. We have a class named user with a public property, $name, initialized to the string John. There's also a public function, getName, which returns the value of $name. Here's how you can use a public property and method. First, we create a new object of the user class and assign it to the variable $user. To access the public property name, we use $user_name. This will output the string John. To access the public method getName, we use $user_getName. This will also output the string John. Private visibility means that the property or method can only be accessed from within the same class where it's defined. Here is an example. We have a class named user with a private property, $password, initialized to the string secret123. There is also a private function named encrypt, which returns the message digest 5 hash of $this arrow password. Protected visibility means that the property or method can be accessed within the same class and its child classes. Here's an example. We have a class named user with a protected property, $email, initialized to the string user at example.com. There's also a protected function named validate, which returns the filtered variable of $this arrow email with filter validate email. Here's how protected visibility works with inheritance. We have a class named admin which extends the user class. The getEmail method returns $this arrow email, accessing the protected property from the parent class. The isValid method returns $this arrow validate, calling the protected method from the parent class. Let's summarize the visibility modifiers. Public means accessible from everywhere. Private means accessible only within the same class. Protected means accessible in the class and its children. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.